Take a look at this. This entire news video was created using artificial intelligence. No camera, no studio, no expensive equipment.
Breaking news. Leaders around the world are responding to rising economic pressure and global uncertainty, as inflation and energy concerns continue to impact millions. At the same time, rapid advancements in technology are reshaping industries and creating new opportunities across multiple sectors. Officials say the coming months will be critical for global stability. More updates to follow.
And in this video, I'll show you step-by-step exactly how you can create your own realistic AI news anchor using simple and free tools. Let's get started, and that's how you can create a realistic AI news anchor for your Faceless YouTube channel. From writing your script, to generating your avatar, to editing a full professional news video.
Step 1. Creating the news script. First, we need a news script. You don't have to write everything manually. You can simply use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate a professional news script in seconds. For this video, I used a simple breaking news script about global trends and technology. The key here is to keep your script short, clear, and professional, just like real TV news. Avoid long sentences. Keep it natural and easy to understand. Step 2. Creating AI avatar. Now, let's create the AI news anchor. For this video, I'm using Colossyan, which is a powerful AI video generator that allows you to create realistic talking avatars. After opening the website, create your account and go to the video editor. Here, you can choose from different AI avatars. Select a presenter that looks professional, preferably someone wearing formal clothes like a suit or blazer. This helps your video look like a real news broadcast. Step 3. Adding script and lip sync. Next, paste your news script into the text box. Now choose a voice. Make sure to select a voice that sounds calm, clear, and confident. This is very important because voice quality affects how professional your video feels. Colossyan automatically syncs the lips with the script, but you can also explore advanced features to improve lip sync and make it more natural. Try adjusting speed, pauses, and tone if needed. Step 4. Generate your video. Once everything looks good, click Generate. The AI will process your video and create a realistic news presenter speaking your script. After that, download your video. As you can see, the result already looks very clean and professional. But we're not done yet. Now we will make it even better. Step 5. Remove background using CapCut. Now open CapCut. Import your video into the timeline. Since the background is plain white, we can easily remove it. Go to the Remove Background or Cutout feature. With one click, CapCut will automatically remove the background and keep only the avatar. If you want another option, you can also use online tools like Superwork AI to remove the background easily. Step 6. Add news background. Now, let's make it look like a real newsroom. Go to CapCut Elements or download a news background from online sources. Add it behind your avatar. Make sure to choose a modern newsroom style with blue tones and clean lighting. Adjust the size and position of your avatar so it fits naturally into the scene. Step 7. Add intro to your video. Next, add an intro to your video. You can use CapCut templates or create a simple breaking news intro. Then, add background music. Make sure the music is very low, around 10 to 15% volume, so it doesn't overpower your voice. This is very important for keeping your audio clear and professional. Step 8. Add text, logo, and effects. Now let's add more professional elements. add breaking news text on the screen. You can also add a logo, like Daily News or your channel name. Then add moving text or headlines at the bottom of the screen. These small details make your video look like a real TV broadcast.
You now have everything you need to get started. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AI tutorials. And comment below if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.